All right, hi everyone. My name is Olivia, coming to you from the Sea Science Center. Today, I'm going to show you our balancing robot kits. First, let's talk about what's in our kit. You are going to have some quick activity instructions so you can follow along at home. You will have one pre-cut robot, 2 washers, a wooden dowel, and a wooden spool. Some stuff you will need that will not be in your kit is some sort of coloring utensil, crayons, colored pencils, and some tape. So to start off, I have a colored robot. I'm going to take my robot, flip it over to the uncolored side, take the 2 washers. You want to put them on the bottom of the hands, and you want to make sure they're in the exact same spots. I would say put your washer maybe in the middle of the hands. You're going to take some tape and secure those to the bottom of his hands. Just like that. And as you can see, there's a little bit of overhang from the bottom of his hands. Now comes the fun part. You are going to take your robot and your wooden dowel. You're going to try to balance him on his chin. So, just like that, your robot's going to bend over, but you can see he is balancing. The wooden spool is just there if you want to try to have them on your desk. You can put them here like that. Now let's talk about the science of our balancing robot. So the balancing robot plays on the scientific theory of the center of gravity. So our robot's center of gravity is his chin. So that is where all of his mass is located and where he can balance the most easily. And that's how he can do these pretty cool tricks. He might fall off, and that's okay. Sometimes you just have to reset the robot. But it's pretty cool, and now you have your own balancing robot at home. We'll see you next time.